This video is brought to you by me and my comic, Home Free. Home Free is a 5-issue series that follows Sarah as she confronts an unresolved past against the backdrop of a country that's on the brink of a violent revolution. Will the violence of the world envelop her, or can she break free and start a new life? Written by John Kratky and brought to life by yours truly. Check out Home Free in the links below. So the first thing I do to create my cover is take the thumbnail, blow it up to size, and start to work on my roughs right over my thumbnail. This is where I really start to solidify the idea that I had and correct any mistakes as I go along. Don't forget to flip the canvas to more easily spot any mistakes or adjustments that you need to make. Here I used these photos as reference for hair and eyes and expression. Then we start going in with the spot blacks and shadows. Sampling the colors from my previous cover to keep some of the coloring consistent, such as the coat, her skin tone, and hair. And I'm using inspiration from this photo of the desert at night for my desert at night. Here, so I'm pulling the colors that I want to use directly from the photo. colors and tones. I like to work a lot with the gouache, the dry gouache brush, and the gouache blender. Little final touches are always nice. Adding highlights and lowlights to certain areas can really make things jump off the page. That skull in behind Sarah, but I don't want it to be too prominent, so I knocked back the opacity quite a bit. Put the logo in. So I try to find a happy medium where the logo looks like it belongs and is maybe just kind of coming out of the sky. And there we have our cover, Desert Green. Thank you so much for joining me today, folks, for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And stay tuned to the end of the video for the trailer for Home Free Issue 3, Desert Green.
Watch this.
Thank you.